All right, so let's try another one. This is just a different way that you may see it, but it's the same thing because h divided by 2 is the same thing as h divided by 2. All right, I'm just assuming there's a 1 there. All right, so first we're going to write the inequality. So h, I'm going to do it here, and I'm just going to solve it from both sides. H divided by 2 less than or equal to 6. All right. Use inverse operation to isolate the variable. So we'll multiply both sides times 2 times 2. All right. And these cross each other out. And so I'm left with h is greater than or equal to 12, because 6 times 2 is 12. All right, so now I'm going to graph the solution. And it says use the inverse operation to isolate the variable, so I'm solving it. So graph the solution, h, so I'm going to find 12, close circle again, because h, it's got the bar, 12 can be included. Oh my gosh. So 12, h is greater than or equal to 2. All right, so h is going to be, or 12, h is going to be, since it's going to be greater than 12 or equal to, it's going to be going to the right. So I'm going to shade in to the right, and so my graph, that's my graph. And I'm just going to copy this, h greater than or equal to 2. All right, now I'm going to check my answer. I'm just going to plug in values on both sides at 12 and see if they're true. So h, let's use 11, so I have 11. Actually, I'm going to do 10 because 11 is a little funky number. I'm going to have a fraction. You can do it, but I'm going to use 10. So I'm going to use 10 and 14 because those are nice even numbers I can divide by 2. As long as you're picking 2 on both sides of that circle. So I got 10 divided by 2 is greater than or equal to 6, and that's 5. So 10 divided by 2 is 5, is greater than or equal to 6. Is that true? And the answer is no, because 5 is not equal to 6, and it can't be greater than. So the answer to that is no. And I'm going to pick 14. So 14 divided by 2 greater than or equal to 6, and then I get 7 greater than or equal to 6, and that is true. So my solution is true. All right. So once again, it doesn't matter what numbers you pick. Pick any numbers on both sides, on opposite sides of the circle. So you can pick any one of those values, and then you can pick any one of those values plus some. So, all right, because if one of them is true, they're all true. All right, go ahead and try one more and resume the next video.